There are only a few things that makes minimal house sounds pro, and most people miss them. In this video, I will show you exactly step by step how to sound like artists as Just Baker or Max Dean. So let's build this track from scratch. So first, let's set a BPM to around 127. We can use anything between 126 and 124 BPM for minimal house. Then let's open up the new After Hours pack and pick a kick. Let's go for this 99 kind of based kick and a double kick at the last one. Make sure to hit the fade out to avoid clicking sounds and leave the last bar empty for a drum fill. Then we're gonna drop in a clap just at every second beat, and then let's search for a head loop. Let's go for this one. There's already a little bit of groove in there with the closed heads right here. Just speeds up the workflow a little bit more. Otherwise we could just add in a closed head at these spots as well. Then just do some gain staging. Let's start off with a kick at around -6. That's a nice starting point. Then add in a clap. Also dip a little bit of the mid lows in the clap. And drop in the hi-hat. Just like this. It's still a bit stiff, so we need to add some more percussions. Let's go back to the one shots and yeah, that's solid. Get it steady off the grid to humanize it some more. And pan it to the left. Then we could still spice it up some more, so let's go to the filler loops. These loops are perfect to add in some more groove instantly. Something like this sounds really weird, but in context with the drums, it takes it to the next level. Honestly, these loops are just a reason to get an After Hours pack. Just gonna hear adding way more swing to it. Sew it out. And with it, just some more texture. And then just add in this one as well. Just stacking some loops to create more depth. And mix it in volume wise. I think we're only gonna use this one in the second part of the drop. So just mix it in. And then we're gonna route them all to a drum bus. And load up my new slammer plugin with transient shaper and soft clipper. Then some glue compression. Open up the high end some more. And add a little bit of warmth to the low end. And then to finish off the drums, I added this small fill with some crashes. Snare build. And remove the other drums right here. So altogether our drums sound like this. We got the drums ready, so now we're gonna dive into the bass. For these minimal house bass, we need a nice analog bass, so let's deconstruct the preset from the After Hours 2 pack. First, let's pick two saw waves, -2 octaves, and function them opposite of each other, with the randomness all the way down, giving us this detuned bass. Also, it's an analog saw wave, based on the Model D. Then we're gonna add a top synth, a saw wave, -1 octave, and a lot of detunement, giving us a nice top end of the bass. Then we're gonna shape the envelope too. No sustain, some release. Just a basic shape, together with the noise. Then the key is the filtering, with envelope 2 to the cutoff, giving us this plucky bass. Then make a low and mono, distortion, some dimension, and some reverb and delay to the top end of the bass, combined with the mod wheel, giving us this really cool bass sound. So now we're gonna make a MIDI. We are working in C minor, so let's start off on the root note. Just like this. Yeah, that's dope. This will be our bass melody. Now we're gonna mix it together with a kick. So of course we need a sidechain on the bass. Quite a big one. And I want to bump up the high ends a little bit more. Then we're gonna route the kick and bass to a kick bass bus. And compress them together to glue them together some more. And also add an R bass, giving this effect. really bringing out the subhead of the bass. The only thing that's left to do is automate the mod view to make it a bit more interesting, arrange the bass, and let it open up during the last bar. So altogether our kick and bass sounds like this. We got a good foundation with the drums and the bass, so now we need to spice it up, bring in those minimal house elements. So let's start off with this preset from the pack. It's this Stussy chord step. It's one of my favorite presets in the pack. It literally works in like every track. So just drop a hit at every first bar. Sounding like this, just some air candy. Then we're gonna add a plug to it. Let's go for this analog saw plug. So now we're gonna add some chord steps as well to it. I got this preset loaded up. And let's make a minimal house chord step. Go to the root. -2 semitones, +5 and +7. And put some emphasis on the 7 by lower it down an octave as well. Sounding like this. It's the typical minor 7th chords. So I made this rhythm with it. Let's quantize it to get it slightly off the grid. And make some variations in the first hit. And then to finish off our ear candy stack, I added this string sound. Sounding like this. So altogether our ear candy stack sounds like this. We got a melodic foundation ready, so now it's time to add in a vocal. Let's go to the vocal section of the pack. Let's go for this classic house vibe vocal. So let's start off with the lead vocal and drop in the ad-libs. I think that would sound really cool in the drop as some sort of backing vocals. We could also add in the doubles, especially together with a vocal. Come give me all your love. Yeah, that's really cool. So let's copy over the synth elements. Same for the drums. And let's fade in the hi-hat. Come give me all your love. And mix them all some more. So first, automate the sidechain of the synth stack. Come give me just like this. And then we need to mix the vocals some more. So first, dip the mids a little bit more. Open up the high end. And some more reverb and delay. And just route the doubles to the same channel to speed up the workflow some more. And we're gonna do the same with the ad-libs, just some more high end. Reverb, delay. And a sidechain because we're gonna use it in the drop. Then I also added some more downlifters to it. It sounds really cool, but it misses something. It can't be a minimal house track these days without an organ, so let's make an iteration of the bass melody. So first I loaded up this organ preset from the pack. Sounding like this. Then I pasted the melody of the bass 1 octave up and made it rhythmic, as you can see. Just like this. And see how it sounds together with the vocal. Yeah, that's way better. Sounds way more unique right now. And I think we can use the organ as a bass in the second part of the drop as well. So just drop in the sidechain and copy over the synth elements. Yeah, that's really solid. So I think we got all the elements ready. So let me know what you think about us in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and see you all in the next videos. Come give me all your loving. Come give me all your love. Come give me all your loving. Come give me all your love. Come give me all your loving. Come give me all your love. Come give me all your loving. Come give me all your love. Ooh, baby, all your loving. Said I want it, baby, yeah. All your loving. Oh, ooh, baby, all your loving. Said I want it, baby, yeah.